Imagine an autonomous drone could take over surveillance, inspections, and transport activities in total safety, according to the most stringent security and quality standards in aviation. That autonomous unmanned aerial system can be designed and operated to your needs, saving you time and costs, improving your working environment, and decreasing your environmental impact. With a simple push of the button, your surveillance, inspection, or transport starts here. Sabca offers a fully integrated system to perform your surveillance mission. We can autonomously guard your wind farms, spot mammals, detect oil spills, and track sources of pollution. We are also your partner to manage crowds, guide traffic, or track movements above cities, ports, and airports. With our high-performance equipment, the Sabca systems can stay airborne for long periods of time, covering large areas and identifying targets with AI. Your surveillance mission is in good hands. To help you manage your infrastructure, Sabca also performs autonomous inspections. Preventative maintenance and fast interventions extend the lifespan of your critical infrastructure, lowering your costs without interrupting daily operations, eliminating risks for inspection crews. With regular inspections, including the use of artificial intelligence for evolution analysis and 3D imaging, we can provide you with crucial smart data to optimize your operations. To bring your valuable payload from one destination to another, Sabca has an autonomous transport solution. We ensure you a just-in-time delivery of all your time-critical, high-value goods, from spare parts delivery over life-saving equipment to medical, nuclear, and chemical payloads. Our aviation-grade systems fly above densely populated cities to remote areas, even in challenging conditions. Sabca has a complete solution for all your surveillance, inspection, and transport requirements. Building on more than 100 years of expertise in aviation and space, we design, integrate, and operate the system you need to accomplish your missions.